Hey y'all, and welcome back to Designs by Gaddis. While you're here, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. This will help my channel to grow, and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching. Today we will be making this adorable vintage truck piece, which can be hung on the wall or sat on a table or shelf to add a little something to your fall decor. Okay, so we're going to make a little fall printable or little fall picture using this red truck, this scrapbook paper, these orange pumpkins, and just one of the signs that I picked up from Dollar Tree. So the first thing we need to do is measure out the size that we need to cut this down to put it in the middle. So basically all I'm doing is laying the frame part on here and making some light lines. And now I'm just going to cut it out. Okay, now let's see if it will fit. Cut it a little bit too big, so we're just going to take a little bit off. So I've got this cut down to size, and the first thing I want to do is paint the inside. Paint the inside here with white chalk paint. And the chalk paint I'm going to use is this from Rust-Oleum. I did get this on Amazon, and I will leave a link in the description if you're interested in this chalk paint. So I'm going to start off by painting the edge here white. I'm trying to be careful not to get it on the buffalo print on the other side. After I have the edge painted, I'm going to paint the sides. I'm not really worried about painting the middle because that's where we're going to put our scrap paper. While that dries, we're going to go ahead and apply our vinyl cutouts onto our scrap paper. Okay, so our truck is ready to be placed onto our scrapbook paper. And I saw where my middle line was, so I'm just gonna try my best to get this as straight as possible and as centered as possible. Now I'm just gonna attach it. Peel the transfer paper off. Now we're going to add, our pumpkins. And we're going to put these in the back of the truck. Just like so. So I'm going to add some Mod Podge. And I'm going to add my picture. And I'm going to make sure it sticks very well.
Okay, so while that dries, I want to add if I can get it up here, I want to add this string to the inside. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to hot glue the string down. And when you're finished, you have this. And you could do other things. You could say pumpkin patch or anything like that that you wanted to. Happy fall. But I just wanted it to be plain like this. I think it's pretty. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add some rope on the back so we can hang this up. There we go. Stay tuned to see the final results.